me pesa me ankasa me de me no to nyom wa wo betimi asabi ma me lo ya je na to betimi asa me kwansha na bam adia mani da so no me nsaken me kom she na bam me ne de nyina abem awie abna abem awie me kom she na bam me ne ya nyire aha wa wonim to be enyom no ma me kwahwehwes me hu a me kom she na bam adia mani na so no me nsaken wase me kom she na bam wa waka me hu bia no me pa cha ofre wo nua bi ne ka kire wo nua bi se abonance campaign atana say me de enuama papa ba abona me ba be ka no mani age bibia hu susu ba me ba be ka mo frɛ ye nua no mo yiyufo nyina yiyufo mo mre na afa de mo nsam no aba wo United Kingdom wo de wo ba ene akwaya application wo de wo kunu ene akwaya application o ma kan mo ho
07401859555
wo de wo ba ene akwaya application with wunya and wukunu and efficacy before at the new maybe aba and society be aba ye de can be shame efficacy before the abasa say no omomra nie wa wo betimi ni di so wa wo ntimi ni di so na samra na ye feel say EU nationals and one efficacy before the ba sanko for no Ghana nko na Africa nko na mo ye corrupt o abrochire ewiase baabia no they are corrupt na emomo no omo wa adwene omo de adwene na ato ho womo de adwene ato ho e no mo de bokoro no Ghana de so omo bokoro no na me mpanimfo no womo de pen ye wo party bi a womo de pen e na bokoro no e ye wo party bi omo de omo nima de nto omo de omo nsa no omo aho no omo ni e na bokoro no but abrochire for president for ne omo mpanimfo de wo krono no mo na ye mu akesefo papa wo mo de wisdom o mo de nyansa na bo mu krono entie na wo bia waka ye hu bia no frɛ wo nua bi na share video na ka kire wo nua bi sɛ abonus campaign atena sɛ en efficacy mu for the new technology aba first no na nageman na obi ekɔ application wo ye application and the call a home office. I'm talking about home office wo ye application the call home office home office if what me tro no I ka kire ne say bra never bo won sa no me ba cho 1 minute me hwehwa de de aba enti mo hold on fama me ba okay na me hwehwe ade e de akere mo but me hu obia application efficacy mu a efficacy mu for se kone koye ensa no bode e fabra lawyer me pa chaw enne ye bekasa omo kan ye ho no bebre entitwi last week me ne lawyer wo ba no e wa ha sei obi si ye nka brofo no ntibi no hu se me program no ye very very educative and so no de ye kanyina wonte lawyer wo beka brofo na be wo ya katwi e fama me why na nka me pese enne no ye nkatwi ya ankasa e wa abra ye nti de brofo kakra awo but bi wo ha eya kanetwi say no ekonomi ha de wo ye application bia ko fikesie mu a efikesie mu fo say bra ne bebo won sa no say wo ye akra application say wo ye panimu application application bia wo de be ko bia no say wo koye naturalization registration wonya bo hu musuo say wo koye application ape efikesie mu fo say ye pese hu ni papan a wo ye enti no wakan ye ho a anansa wo di application abetum a bra na bebo won sa no ma ye hwe usuban ene wo ne ye ne wo ban a wo di ti kromi ha enti wo bi wo wa sabi ya chene da obi wo wa lawyer ya bo ne nsa no da sabi wonya kromfo bia adwuma mu ne ya che no bia obi nkrata ne nam bi nsusu kra na sabi drink driving no obi driving license ne nam quite bebre so and will be wa na ya chino all of a sudden ya china no ne ya born sano because of our fingerprints and what efficacy muntino was misro some ya application lawyer me dia about we dia me do me dia me dan kasa na we lawyer 20 min incantation 3 minutes say odo say no do was misro me timi nya finger me timi nkoya application wo bia babro chire ha 17 years a chair by point a chin in 20 minute application because their chain no also the cuckoo. And also I was for the fifi, and Tina was for the quadro. And this I deal with a crammy a breach. I did Ghana, you can say parazone. Ghana kind of parazone, isn't it?
It's a common branch.
Parazone, okay. Yeah, you're friendly breach where you take a breach. Lawyer, obey me, Koshie breach. Now what dear go at the more than in sa SCC because of our fingerprint. 81%. If you can see them for the bills one and the fifi in breach in the best saying in Sanono because your son no ye were Max be wa who no want to be would when you create me but what do one say fingerprint and who say now but say it will be at me the breach pa and then come my ye don't be selfish obey here. Who want crater, who need crater, you need it. And to lawyer, dear Binu say, especially Mamma, woman, young woman, you know, dear good idea. I broach a breach, then Tessa Ghana, the end of good 1 hour, only be Ghana, then their card open on cottage on their breach. Not what in incest to see. And 2 months or quiet fingerprint now, in Nick Gagano and Ma. I fed your Benya, the only who couldn't and say, dwarfs hands. Now, only when you to about the Ziana and Samoy and Patamata. Home office for the new technology, Abba. I your friend of facial recognition, and you be deep uncomo. Home office for say no. Men found some Mrs. Fidea Subio. What must say ya woo pair what choice. Nasa woo pa, found some Fidea. Coronavirus, a buy no, a best say dear. But a samba yeno a dense sayaba, a bayena, a maybe no one yeska, a bit of what you must say, home office for, and then call for big companies for because a up company in the Benyesica. Swat ya say, says a home office for say, what application ever more or more said the letter say back. Say ye dear nim and ever call. And Timua Monso Mubricino, say no quiet when new facial recognition. Now in 2.5 years, never so lawyer. We are to this lawyer Janet. Not 2.5 years, never so young cat and 2 you. Not 2.5 years, never so young Mark Jackson, they are. And you now cat and so as you and your your advantage and your disadvantage. Lawyer, what I say, make your face no I am a day because fingerprint no one but 10. Say someone found some to you and your barbecue. By your face for when you bra. Say home office for will be our application will be ano. Or more for said the letter back. And yet, and I say no still no fingerprint no a bayer duma. And I yenya you cry a British passport to me na ye besa me akwa ye facial recognition na and no any ye beti ho enkomo. Enti what application what is the same me catch up from obra. Wo bi so and ye ma no lawyer aka kire ne say ye se beba won sa no. Na lockdown my ebesi de wo dwane because ono when you say preach it me preach yes ono so onim ekwan a wo be fa so be kwa fingerprint because sabi when we are there sabi ya che no okobu wo bi oye bibi ama ya bone nsa no odobi nkrata na ye adwuma ya che no e wo di fufuro mu enti no okwa sesi anu ebeyi diaba kai everybody bridge sesi ye nton bio aka dem lawyer mema wachima wakwaba na hoye yeah you saw for people who come call lunch or luti any idea we yabeshia I'm a paid you say leave her alone one officer for leave us alone why leave us alone leave us alone.
Very interesting book.
Yeah, very interesting. Apostle lady Diane. Yeah. Yanko. Lawyer me chiao.
Matime Joshua bena.
Na
me ku ye pa.
O wa efe uche we no say ka to bi mame. Ebo ko musa no. Very cute. Na obra yesie nana. Na anti na da share black and white no. Weekend here we anywhere. Oh, any na kwa ni kwa so ba. But anya hwe breach ya da woment wo dia tena ha ye bia ya gusu. Why?
Yo.
She etie for na ye.
And pay me na papa. Good morning to all of you listening and watching us. I welcome you all to the program. My name is Janet Frimpong. I'm a solicitor and a partner at JF Law Solicitors. JF Law Solicitors were based in Camberwell Green, which is in Southeast London near Elephant and Castle. Our address is Unit 150, Camberwell Business Centre, 99 to 103 Lomond Grove, Camberwell Green, London, SE57HM. Our land telephone number is 0207 277 0444. If you want to call me on my mobile, it's 07932 021 889. Or you can email me at jflawsolicitors.jflawsolicitors.co.uk j.frimpong@jflawsolicitors.co.uk. JF Law Solicitors, every Tuesday we come here and join Abnas campaign on this program, and we talk about immigration law, give you updates, and we talk about a particular topic. It tell you what is happening in the immigration front. But JF Law Solicitors is not just immigration law that we do. We also do family law. We're talking, divorce, matters to do with children, contact issues, family finance, relief. But if you're doing divorce, you want to share the assets in the property, domestic violence issues. So you have you're a victim of domestic violence, and you want to apply for injunction against the other person who has been violent against you. We do all of that. So we can help you with that as well. We also do landlord and tenant. If you are a tenant and you're facing problems with your landlord, or you want your deposit back from your landlord, all these things we can do. We also help represent landlords themselves. If you're facing problems with your tenants, with rent payments and everything, or eviction issues, we can also handle that as well. We also deal with property, sales. If you want to buy or sell your property, or remortgage, or transfer of equity, if you want to add somebody to the property you already have, we can help you as well. We can advise you on how to do it. We also do wills and probates. So if you want to make a will, or issues to do with probate, somebody died and you want to deal with their assets, they haven't got a will, or they have a will but you're having problems executing, putting the will into function, we can help you. At JF Law Solicitors, we do employment law as well. So JF Law Solicitors, we do all other areas of law you can think of. So contact us if you have any problems with any of these areas that we talked about. And in this program today, we're going to give you updates, and we're going to talk about the new app that the Home Office is introducing, with regards to giving your biometrics. That is, fingerprints. We have fingerprints in it. Home Office for introduce you via app via Airbag this month. First week of August. The coming weeks, I best started because may start seeing letters on behalf of my clients. Say, welcome to the program. Welcome to Abna's Campaign Outreach, and you're listening to Janet Frimpong of JF Law Solicitors.
Yo, JF Law Solicitors, into a be a working will be out of me, Chia, with a lawyer. As a lawyer, young Cosso and Tenton, and Como, because and then Comona, ye begin a young me dead to make a mania japa, a young me the huge no more fingerprint, and as a fingerprint, no, ye becoso aye, because Uncle Fobi Agane, our fingerprinting tea, young cowboy and son, Sister Tamara Yakubu, young way and son, and any page, and a side, and you see a boy and son, and son of what ye. And Sanobo, Ekromia, Ufa, I the bedus is here. One mucho bass, me as a fancy team so. Yet, you were doing me as a fancy team so. Say, dear, see me and friends and teams, ye dear nim, and na air back, ye dear new face to face, bumper to bumper, boot to boot, and one as I bring ye back on. And to know I'm a patron, my update to flow when you've been a catcher when you be said, or be amra, when you uniform, wow, where ye na, ye see ye na, you walk Romia. What the application kotum what the application ko ya wo first thing yes say kon ne ko ye wadi e fabra enti say no pons okura na yes me ntwi bi because wo kwa so wipe all your pons ye pese hu rare color o ye color blue color green color one chocolate Ghana yes me mo chocolate color ni chocolate say you need chocolate wo baby e kwa na sabre ye ba be ko enti no ya me patro me ma wo ye mo show e good news to me ni de at the papa. Enti mema we yemo ensho. Lawyer, me patcho update and me update. When you update amen koso.
Updates. Today updates is to do with those who are here on temporary, whether it's a visitor's visa that you are here for. Due to coronavirus, every week we come and give you updates on what is happening, what concessions the government is giving to those who are stuck in UK because they cannot travel due to the pandemic. So the previous time that we were here, we talked about people who could extend their visas to the 31st July. Now, as you can see, 31st of July has passed. We were waiting for the Home Office to make further announcements about extensions. Now, for 18 years, action where you now actually. 18 my client will bring from a lawyer. 31st in the SU now. Application what is happening? They say those who were extended to 31st, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything.
To 31st July or August?
31st July. You don't have to do anything. So don't let anybody tell you say, brother, my application amount extended where you
up to August, no.
30 and automatically no. You have up to 31st of August.
August. Oh, good.
And within this time to 31st of August now. Almost say Pekwanya will be called group. Pekwanya never called group. Never called group.
Ghana
ye and you almost free hair kono. Wow, we person okono. And who he has over crab home office. Would it let it be a catch home office and make call. And no I saw power bag now call. From up to 30, waiting me up. Now 31st, you drew now call ya. Almost say be indemnity, special indemnity and what the amount you need to say 31st lesson. That's still like a mere border. That's still like any charter flights and air qua waiting media qua. Or will pray be indemnity. Also apply to the Home Office for that. Saying indemnity no something I had to say gives you temporary protection of your immigration history. And overstay. Then you apply. So after 31st, they also you to let the Home Office know why you are not going, and the evidence they say what your ticket, but you can't fly, or you bought your ticket to go in September, for instance. And in here we are near maybe to go back to my ticket. Me pese 15th of September me call. And me call 15th of September. What me up to 31st the August. The next so me call 15th of September. And me my said ye be ya me call. That's the next time you person me saba krom ha.
Any problem?
Yes sir, me ba last time no. Me ba overstay enti no ye ma wo be. And I say bi munyi na say when you obi no o ware no so okofa wa ba. Wo say wo no wo ba ye last no wo be ye bone because why you no so ye no tena mu. And one country Home Office for so ade enti a watena mu ti no wo ba no abeye immigration history to ye bad part ye ma kwan ma won sa enye de emiwram bi. And that is the indemnity away. But apart from that, you know, they are not saying say so will be a family waha. Now person your application I won't win yet. Yet there are two to say who percent your application be because for long-term residents waha. So leading to maybe indefinite leave to remain. Ubetimi a ye. Unkofi. Me try application a ye marriage applications. Marriage application. Enti omo ha. Omo visa ni wu year from 24th January up to now na wo. Se wo nka na nka mmiri bi why wadwen se wo pese nka wo kofie. Na wo your application eba. Wo wari wo hwe obi a wo wari no na wo pese due to our reality no wo nam so e de your application e de be wura mu a. Ye say wo betimi aye wo ha. Ti wo kofie kura okay. So one no more problem because who are I think say the benefit of that and they say at least you are here, you can deal with it, and so who satisfy the requirements. That is another thing. They want you to satisfy all the requirements. In case of pandemic in Intino, kofa will be a onye juma. Na ye faju visa. Still lano, ukunu anasa wo yireno. It will set or satisfy the financial requirements. So what I'm saying is that with the what is happening, the extension that we have up to 31st now is being extended further automatically to 31st of August. So you don't have to make any application for that. You don't have to make an application for that. Ottawa, your stay, you get home office is automatic. Automatic means you don't have to do anything. It automatically granted to you. So please don't let anybody take money from you and say I'm making an application. It's automatic. You have it. So now, after the 31st, they want you to, if you cannot still go, then there is something they're giving a special indemnity. Indemnity because it's indemnity on your immigration history. You're coming here, going, maybe you're somebody that comes here every year. You want to be able to continue to do that after everything is okay. After we find a cure for coronavirus and people are still traveling, you want to be able to come to the UK as often as you used to. But because you overstayed after the 31st, you didn't tell the Home Office why you were overstaying and when you're going. The Home Office has put it on your record that because of that, I grabbed you. You are a bad person. You are not coming here anymore. You have breached your immigration, the conditions on which you were admitted to the UK. So next time, you're not coming here again. So that is the indemnity you need to apply to the Home Office. But that one is not automatic. That one is not automatic. You need to apply for that. Then you have people who intention is to make leave to remain application for long residence to be able to stay with their family members for good or in an attempt to get indefinite leave to remain. Those you can still make an application. You don't have to go back to your country of origin to make the application. The Home Office says you can make it here. Rather, you have to satisfy all the requirements. It does not mean the fact that you can make it here does not mean you have to forgo some of the requirements. So if it's English test, you have to do it. Do you understand? So mean you won't mean your English and it's still learn. So why would the visitors visa and buy? Now what will be how ye English in unless it's any pan Europe. European nationals need still learn, you don't have to do the English test. Now what will be our indefinite leave to remain and also a British passport. You have to do the English test. Nipano also a year Jumanoji 18,600. So when you buy yeah, it was set a 22,400. Moji na ansana mummy mumotimi application at to one satisfier young farmer, which means then you're going back to being an overstayer if you're not careful. So I would suggest that if you are that kind of person, you let an experienced immigration lawyer look into the application for you so that you can make the application. This information is very, very important. This update is very, very important because people think that the 31st is not one of the concessions. After 31st, they're not 31st of August, they say they're not going to extend it anymore. But rather you need to apply for indemnity or go for application to vary your visa. What's the sound visa let variation just what's the sound visa do? What's the sound add a free visitors visa add your spouse. So what you're saying? See, that is there.
No. Information is free. Yeah, man will advise legal free advice. I won't she. enti enti na won frɛ wo nua bi nka nkyerɛ wo nua bi sɛ ene lawyer Janet atena se wo ba skin pain outrage platform so a free advice na advice bi e wa ha bi e authentic unya no baabi a ni wa wo benya no lawyer me fa we metwam lady bi frɛ me enra na or can be say oba ha me kasa wo kasa bebuo mu e bia sa lady no wo hwe me wo sister no e hwe me na obi wo ha lawyer oye naive kire say wo ka kire ne se bramu ne beti a oma no aba beti oye saman enti wo gina kire lawyer lady ni frɛ me o sister me free Ghana e ne baaye na me ba no onimu se de obeka no me yes ma atese no adwuma we me ma biri mu enti baabi a wo di free ba na me ni baabi a wo pa kire wo se me ba no na menyem na menyem se menyem okay ena wo de me ka kire wo se okay no ne be ma fofora beda enti oba ye no onyem ena ni sister ne kofa ne ba so o me hwe ne ba ema no enti wonyem no oba ni sister ni hu so onyem no ena ni sister ne say me do be go back to Ghana ena ni sister ba ako eniafo ne dɔɔso ma ha ena ba ako sɛ me ma wo fa ne nkɔ megine ne natena na ene me de owo a ma what you say akra ne benya papa no onya papa no ebeje nkrata e de ama no okay enti ni sister ba ako wo Ghana ene ka sɛ metwia ɛho entoma nyina what you say because onya papa no ne beto akra ni din na naming ceremony na was say den toma ye dish up ye di bleach nyina eba ebe kire somewhat the person me kire na say lawyer wa henti enti ni sister wo Ghana say mefa naming ceremony ye duane ni nyina no me mefa ho ka enti say again wanya papa ni baby na nya papa ana wo mo papa no manya no wo mo say papa no wo tomatoes ekuro e wo you outside ana wo say me wo Ghana before me be ba na me tie sister bi dia Agnes campaign wo say wo na se wo kunu ne ye esoro hofo ni bia wo nya bi oba no nya nkrata enya British book and ni sister ne say oh me so kura me sha Agnes campaign na jai oh Ghana follow yesterday de jaja wo mu ni omo ka me de me ka ne de oka no so Ghana follow yesterday wo mu ni de omo ka no no kura sha Agnes campaign enti wo lawyer bia lawyer ne say bra no ebetimi abeje British book e de ama no bra ne be kurum ha oni 1 year oni 1 year enti e be da waje British book e de ama no e no say ni sister ne say oh Ghana follow you so many de omoka ye betimi age me wo lawyer bi o de kwa ye beje British book de ama no no so do ni de enipa this engagement ne naming ceremony breach tomatoes ye beto mu enyina no ebesi enan enti no onfa nan ni nyina ama bra no na bra no ye apra no yi no ma no e no se da bi ene ma me ma no ba ko na onfa nko prepare aduane ye be no ani nyina no onfa embra enti sister no wawo owo ye no bra no aba bra ne ba ya o makoye akura ni din to o makoto akura ni din awie o moto akura ni din wie no birth certificate na bra na age was easy and the sister na wawo no ekoyi form so ba ye say feme me from kwaji British passport ma akura no and na bra me say this ma je naming ceremony no e ho ade nyina ansa na ye e no si there bi menye emfa ma ne sister na wo no se Ghana for lawyer for nya papa no wo se fama no na me do be ko Ghana lawyer bi ho ama lawyer na ya ama no se me fama de bi e tie system e ma wo so mo ko yi o picture o video e bai enti wa chidi no mo frɛ wo e na aka kire wo se o mu ntumi bra me ntumi nye ekurum ha nkrata ama ne ba e nya gi so okoje mama nka Spain enkrata e de ma akora no and as pay for also some from almost omo bebie omo office no omo bebie in next year August Spain embassy omo bebie in next year August enti akora ne betena kromi has to next year August a won krankrata wo wo kire omo no ante omo de e na omo kofre pakifo lawyer e na lawyer ne ka kire omo se ma ne ka kire mo se e soro hofo no ebe krom ha no mu ni fie no mu a otimiji book e ma ne ba no Emma say sister no twentwene wo bobo Emma say sister edi your dia beto me be so ade me ba no ni papa me de ye den edi na you waste Emma me sinye waste what to work already di 1 year mine also mo ye no online na che say e need 2 months ekra eno ne se wasan ko wakwa ka kire mo say akra ne papa no adwane ni nim no ana say change ni di bi kwa akra mo so abetimi a change no edi enti na me kasa ma me kasa wa advice I dem wa ha no eye free enti wo ba no wa share video no na wa free wo nua bi ene nkoma ye bedie no eho hia a e wo senka ewiase nyina obi a ete enso obi a hyehye ne dem obi a ye ne ho ma me nko a mentie me mpeme ho asem eno nti na me se me wie na wo frɛ me a menye lawyer what you say eno aledi no frɛ me no ye me mobo enka me mfi no ofre me sane na wo kan na me kra me ho mete enkanya de anka mebua ne kra ba wo sister bana me de metie wo frigano ba me sister ne ye naive lawyer ye nkoso ene ye ba bedi enkomo afa eye fingerprint biometric ehon as say new system a eye Miss Pretty Patel I introduce e de aba United Kingdom say ye be die pon so twi wona ma yesefo o reference nam lawyer you see new system aba and no anything chire yemu facial recognition chire yemu ne enkwai
yo tie for ni ahwefo ni say wo pom ha na say wo ya application penya unnim say application bia no a wo ye bia na no wo koye o fingerprints unless wo ye Europe ni wo say bi wo akwaje wo British citizenship application cry who mark your cop near see a cobble inside and a near castle go through so much ye so cobble inside no be one inside no plane say or a ye never be believer it's go for very in fact before we cry no cranty and perceive to me application so to go on my year 20 I track home 20 years near Timmy obey me a 20 year rule but to a cobble then san one eye chin would be full be moon ready enti onim so ko na nsa no ebe yi aba eno de so wo hwe program bi a wonim se no de so wo ba ye JF law solicitor ye betimi aso go sa problem na ma enti no eni kwa say but this e bi a wonim enti no fingerprint ni ade mu ayi a ye de ko de bi a obi ko bon kwada na ye timi from mo ko bon en na ye de ko wie coronavirus tu coronavirus adaroma ti obi a kafia yentimi nko a omututu de bia ye boye nsanu omututu say yentimi because awo ko bo nsanu ni nipa and the social distancing to that is any nti atumu na nyame nchaade e fiti last I'm since June and they be start so omu bie as so omu bie ye no omu bia so you obi a we application na nsanya ana so application da hodada unim say bi ho a o twen kofo bebre ne na twen me clients bebre twen say ye be ma ye letter ana ye betimi ebuku appointment enti no what is happening say wo ho a na ebuku ya frɛ say first part na wo call your application you want to go straight to appointment section wo ho na block it enti say you ma bia to na so no application e be si September kura wunyim say what you say wunyim enti no wo ho no ma na ya tro say bia ye bia to ko na ko ye na e bibi hwe ho a date bi wo a na wo do client a so quickly say what you say say one man me say one ma check ya say ye bia to ma na ma be the client bia hwe ho no quickly
yes appointment na kura mu tuaka
appointment you know say 200 and I'm 200 appointment and can you free
what they call biometric
what they call you say what one also train free appointment here next year now we call you biometric into your normal say bia wo your lawyer now lawyer catch you say tria and san why your appointment now you true also court now call your appointment and na no July year mu so e ba ye say send ye nipa no because o mu bia ye ne kwa no one more appointment in because of coronavirus no ye cancel ye omo kwa na ya start fresh dan fancy duru one more omo de ya ne this year
new application
omo just say for train enti omo hwe na ade nem sa abobo omo so dodo enti omo de aba say ne se wo ye obi a wa ye o fingerprint dada ye ya so obakwa akoye bi ye ma unko ye bi
lawyer me ba stop wa ha wo ye obi a wa ye fingerprint dada se me fa de say bi a omo magi 2.5 years.
Yes, maybe near coming can't be a actual or your fingerprint.
Wow,
No.
Say me ya chemia na my fingerprint and yem me
I will renew an application.
And to be a me fan say over 2.5 years.
Yes.
Why dada?
Why you be maybe a walk off for the third.
Walk off for the second or third one.
No, any say, or repeated a EP. Like a first pandemic, Uncle I said, because they were trying to challenge so being found being cracked and uncle your fingerprints, one found for you because the first panel also. Uncle for this video being cracked at home will be no, their man or their fingerprints.
A wolf on cracker, your friend a wolf and cracker.
Okay. Ghost, okay. And they say no ghosty. And you know, we a friend is saying, oh, no, what the buy say. So why your fingerprints need be a moon, yes, over you. Name of Troy lawyers say one train, be August, you never contact him. Ya can't check with you. To August, you see me, and the funeral, or more letters, basse. Almost possesses say, app be almost developing. Our more friend. IDV app. A year identity verification app. IDV app. Almost bay, say almost say, or much raw initially. Say, wow, what person we yen? Young betro within the next 3 weeks, move on. You better the letter for the mouth. Now, your mouth, how I'll be see upload, I download the app. Now, obey, now we'll give you facial image, any facial we say, biometrics. I the app, now was upload documents, your application. So what you say? And to say your lawyer, your application, application, my. To say, yeah, if we settlement scheme. Or more settlement scheme, who come now with facial aid. And you know, you say, no, a free August equal, or more per se, and call for a day yet or more a show, a day issue, and call for biometric card and mouth. Now, and only say, and only chess almost a bebois, Amasa, who was our way one. Who yes, I will call home office appointment be. Ain't in a bebois, man, at it. Nipa no kill na nipa bebre ya yes so mon konko ye a friend say no eso me sure say no ka ho bi e na ade so a utun say e weke dia omo fete omo de bibi ba fofo say ya na omo hwe say be ye adwuma e weke na nkrofo bum na ya e be ye what obi a be bi because special in say ade a even from 1st January you for the free one. I idea of person introduce.
Lawyer me patch me check it and when they yam you photo shoot as a picture photo.
Sabia, you know. Why they choose another option? Yeah.
And I'm in office. Ye pictures. I say no one because also your passport pictures. I say,
but says you know, friend say settlement scheme no a child picture. And you was a picture where you're for person you should a bus say and what you should.
Let me say you say.
But any ordinary passport photo they take it for a reason because a friend is saying
okay so nya o maka enya mess enya ma o manya but enya mind ni app ne so
and you know the next day you know on besa throw na on betro lawyer and I say near show send ya who be see what obey. Na a friend says, person will be ya, and also so your mouth time within a short time, no, or email be I'll be email you or market on say no, maybe I may train appointment.
And to not just say any false
at the moment,
then you're false.
Moment, be sure say eventually, a bay idea will be a said the biometric and buy ya will be a bay say a work kidness will be a Missy Udru airport, a idea a bay is who shall come more. Now I take you BBR. Not as immigration, no. A bedroom in the crowd,
passport. Any passport, yeah.
Who do I share with you, my yes, who need not idea automatic gates in Navy. And see, for the time being, this is a new system. Abba, started the free wiki year, for best started a year. And see, so you'll be a to me, person of a papa, yeah, mount option to opt out. But me opt out. There is an email. One as one of your applications and so lawyer yeah. Obey email you or Macas and me maddy. Yen, and as a men my applications, if you all know one application now. Also up to a moon if you know. money now free opt out and send waiting. Yes, idea. This is the way things are going to be. So what I said, this is the way things are going to be. Until me as a home office for a QBR, you go, this is going to be the identification, the new biometric way. So biometrics of your face, biometric of your finger, and then biometric of your face. And not to say the home office for so or the and yet one more year, even one more year British citizenship application cry.
Or more naturalization.
Yeah.
Eso so I can home.
Eso can. Inti yet a year for
Or more renew or more crata. And crata. Now, lawyer, what about more new application or more DSS new appointment to be my BB?
And no dear to say, and no, not. Or when I know appointment, but no email, no matter say, wait me up, no about book appointment. Because a new one, they still need your documents and they still need your fingerprints. So what I said, they still need your fingerprints. And then your maybe a new one is on your facial no. Since your facial no be phone because I app your phone.
App your phone to smartphone now I download.
No, I download.
What download to the app no IVD no. Now I download also. Now I want to be now what travel facial. Now what they are sending.
So what I said, so that's how they want to simplify things and do things with the home office. And you know, with everything else in a bag, now I so we go quite and I can go or prefer.
Oh, maybe I prefer face, than fingerprint, Now, lawyer, I prefer. So, or more in general, dear. So, new application, Obia, and the uncle prefer face, because a face in the and she will face neither. Or face me and take you when you mother. One Sunday I take kida. And tia no bema obia who nefini about the application. Because
then you're talking about starting afresh, because then eventually you get people who are in the face in that. Now persuade maybe we start application for then your face that they are and also outside the call when you face someone.
Face is so pretty and ye you would die now and ye yeah obi or wow no so Becca say be a face near one pay or that super a year fingerprint but I said yes say me when say a new mayor corner one more day year experiment we say
this is 666
I say and no boy.
No, you have to face in the end. Chop it and go. You sure when you go see
when you go so when you go see no more yet. When you go see no more yet. Now when you wait and come here. 18 no me
will be down here. This will be when
now no ya obo ho so kwa na ni operation so e bia na ni na you try na test so. Say wa koyi tenefri so. It's true. Yes, because what was say we be try na ni na wanya a test so. Say wa koyi operation to any difference baby.
But I don't but I'm saying so biometric specific you need maybe you maintain it.
Maintain it no. Yeah, ready yankopon.
So we tell you idea a cover when you go see.
It is when you go see no more be or mobile be your own.
If you try tennis you got to year no answer.
Miss Pretty Butter when you know and woman I'm telling you,
Miss
Sister Anasa one cancer, happy birthday to you, sweet sister. I love you so much. Lawyer, Miss Butter when you know when you know but me to me, maybe prefer facial no because Debbie fingerprint breach you or me a breach you but when you
say what you want to idea ever found your video for baby
lawyer and ya dear befaso and yes me chile will be born will be born but lawyer to 4 years somewhere lawyer share obo ho nkodi bonio obi o wa we innocent onam keke na wakota amanemu okota amanemu na no yesi bebo wonsa no eno ano no ya bonensa no ye bonensa no eyi bi fufuro bi e de aba no wakwa akunya amane eno na me kani obi a sabi wakowia de wakowia robinka wakobubu shop wani am ya cho omo ne sa no kro mo ye bridge ne kro enko eno ne se tintim wa
enti bridge ne kra na wo ka no who say nipa no and you have to be doing it all the time because nipa your skin will grow
your skin
you be pana e be
I go here the china na here this week
it's an appointment every year
we are
Every year, we are bleach you.
Every year, we are bleach you or finger. Lawyer, young cosme, and me be a phone lines no a day at 2 SSC. Was say, Anita said the face is better, pa, because yes. Obi wa yet fingerprint na ya. Me krono na sa efficacy mu for ne person mo de fa so be boni pa na ye me ya. Because I dey we no mo say free ne ento me diska. On say pre-settle buy ye no e free.
Yeah.
But o se be ye kakra no be diska. Say no mo frase e refuse nkofo. Mo a mo de mo application akofficacy mu na efficacy mu for return e mo nti wo mo nka mo dwuma ma suspend mo no me pa cho be hu lawyer e wrong. Obia wadwuma mu fo aka kire wo se kone kotena fie because ye wo visa no wo visa no so no why application dey akofficacy me pa cho wadwuma mu fo ni hu kwan so mo suspend wo enti wo bibiara wo tie ye enne e bia ne wo first time a wo tie me pa cho contact e ye lawyer Janet Frimpong ye wadwuma mu ya suspend wo ya ka cho se kotena fie because wo kura e ye 5 years so koji indefinite until wo monka wo kura 2.5 years so kwa ko renew akoje extension until wo monka because of that no ye se bra na betena fie me pa cho ko ne ko hu lawyer kwadwo ye bo a royal or say what if you get an accident and your face deform I no so when they say the end the omo so deform nti no ya nya ohwe
say ye bia wani na ebe ye
wani mfra ya say ye wani no mo de ye enti wani mfra ya I think say eno ne de I just say be a face ya in future be onim so wadi boni a wo de se kan wo wani ba ko na wo de ba ko no eko eno anu no
okay the trouble that people go through this app is an year can it's wow person over yen and your more can say yes to me you can either get people like us to help you so be a your application when I make can and yeah it's all a lawyer already and I will generally all deal with your application it comes with it because you know I do all these even appointments in the crime the way of we on this like a maze. It's like of course why it's difficult to do it. And you know we do it for our clients. We application submit it straight to the appointment section. You book the appointment and then you upload the documents. So what I say on behalf of your clients. And you know so a lawyer and as a lawyer they dealing with data mawa. It's easy. You don't have to worry. Be a back for us and so what I say, well, upload no answer we need now. They actually say, "Mini na ade na click mark not just say o cook with me." And she said, "Unyo be a to me, and yes, I did one in certain email be sa what's your contact is you bet me explaining what you have to do in case in the back, na say, to me and you shoot up no." She said, "Yeah, or more also a settlement scheme, the brain how they can go about it." And no problem you to go be refuse.
And you know make us a pre-settle this status no. You refuse to go for be.
Yeah. And you know it's similar something similar. We're there to help you to you find a way of dealing with it. So this is a new system that is coming. And then a free and then because there may be a new thing that people are doing it. So what I say because they see I know master and they will carry on and then that is the way forward, I think. Sure say eventually never extend it to be a application there you have to give a facial
not just a best and it will be not just a compulsory say application be there was so facial yes because Americans almost Americans almost face and a year or way it's minimum say sadly we no more try if it's work Emma or more kase obia fresh application or one application or obia ebe the facial recognition and no na me say no or more person or money me feel say no very good simple and very Emma will be and very good so Emma sebi ye nua no bi no mo ayabobo mo nsa no a omo ye mu hyehye wo mo otikromi ha ontimi nya application wa wo ne ba wa ha ontimi nye wa ya aware wo ontimi nye obi ho kra wo ya application akofikesie mu pen ama ya born and son no me refuse no na application awo ye ebi o ya aware because of that no ontimi nya application biom e fa ntum enti e good